Can you actually see it wiggling? Anyway, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a minute, especially for the Challenger, but kind of a double whammy today. First of all, I wish the weather was a little better, but you know, it is what it is, and I'm kind of on a tight little schedule here. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna take the Challenger out. Got to go see Mark at Carburetors Only, get a SMOG check on it. I know, it's a 70. Why am I getting a SMOG check? Because as you know, stupid personal plates here in Nevada, yeah, you can't get them without a SMOG vehicle. So, I mean, it's fine. This thing passes, no problem. But in case there's any little tweaking needs done, yeah, he's the man in town. And yeah, I haven't had this on in a little while. Just fired it up, and yeah, it's a little loud like it's supposed to be, but look at it wiggle. I mean, I did fire it up and then, like, you know, got out, so you know the choke is yeah, it's I wouldn't say struggling a little bit, but man, I've had to jockey all the cars around and everything, so I'm not sure how much I'll vlog, yeah, especially on the way over there or any of that. You guys don't really seem to care about like the SMOG portion of it. So man, if I do get some freeway stuff or maybe tunnel blast at the airport or whatever, I'll be sure to throw it on there. So meanwhile, yeah, I got to get the ramps up, get the car out, got to get the cheddar wedge back in, get the cars moved around, and then I got to hit the road. So yeah, as always, stay tuned. Well, it took me forever to get down here, but at least I made it. And yeah, look at the sky. Hope to get back home and back in the garage very quickly. But anyway, yeah, I didn't grab much on the freeway because it just was not very fun. So, you know, happy birthday anyway. Like I said, be back in a minute or two. I gotta watch the music, but why everybody brings their cars here. Got the billet MSD, all black, so it looks original. Showing up. Looks really cool. AC, turn it up. Little bonus material. I give you a little bit of what you want, right? hard to film and shift in this car with it wiggling all over the place.